Most people think building a Turo fleet takes years. They think they've got to buy one car, wait it out, pay it down, and then add another. But here's the truth. If you know the strategy, you can build a fleet instantly by purchasing multiple cars in literally a 15-day period. My name is Trevor Calais. I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and then their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of the process. And every one of those vehicles bring me $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. And today I'm gonna be breaking down the exact method I used and still teach to this day for acquiring multiple cars at once, getting them approved before the banks catch up, and building your fleet instantly instead of waiting years. Here's what most people believe. You can only get one car at a time because the banks will see your approvals and then shut you down. That's a default belief, and it keeps people small. Because here's the reality. Banks don't instantly update your credit info with new auto loans. There's actually a window, it's about 15 days, where your profile hasn't fully reflected those approvals yet. And in that window, you can lock in multiple approvals across multiple dealerships. And that's how you scale instantly. Not with one car at a time, but with 6, 8, even 10 vehicles lined up within weeks. Here's the transparency. Stop thinking slow and steady and start thinking strategic and structured. The goal isn't to drag out your growth. The goal is to build the fleet you need up front so you can start generating cash flow immediately. And the way to do it is by stacking approvals strategically before they even report. That's how you maximize leverage, get the cars you need, and build a real business from day one. Here's how that method actually works step by step. First is the credit foundation. Before you ever walk into a dealership, your credit has to be optimized. If your profile is weak, the strategy won't work. Clean up your negatives, lower your utilization, and make sure you're positioned for approvals. Then you're gonna wanna prepare the dealer. Let the dealership know your intent up front. You're not here for one car, you wanna buy multiple. Ask them to line up multiple approvals in advance. That way they know you're shopping for volume. Next is the 15-day window. Once you get that first approval, the clock starts. You got about 15 days before the new loans actually hit your credit. In that window, you shop multiple dealerships and lock in multiple approvals. You're gonna want a loan stack. Because the loans haven't hit your credit report yet, each bank still sees you as clean. That's how you can push through 5, 6, 7 auto loans at once. Fleet acquisition. The safest way is to purchase within those first 2 weeks. Get all the vehicles titled, insured, and ready for the platform. From there, you've got a fleet instead of just 1 or 2 cars. And then you're gonna wanna launch it on Turo. With a fleet ready, you don't waste time testing. You've got multiple income producing assets live immediately. That's the whole play. That's how you can scale fast instead of slow. And that's why people get rich off of Turo quick instead of the long term getting rich off of real estate. Both are great though. But here's where people mess this up. They try this strategy with poor credit and get denied everywhere. They don't prepare dealerships ahead of time and they waste time reapplying. They spread purchases out over months instead of weeks. And by then, new loans are reporting. So the banks actually will shut you down. And then they buy the wrong cars, flashy toys instead of high demand rentals. The strategy only works if you execute it right. That means prep first, act fast, and stay disciplined. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and I will personally reach back to you and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. You need to shift your mindset. You need to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an operator. Consumers think about one car at a time, one payment at a time. Operators think about fleets, leverage, and cash flow. When you see credit as a tool and you understand how banks actually operate, you realize scaling isn't about waiting, it's about timing. This isn't about tricking the system. It's about knowing the system better than anyone else and playing it to your advantage. I'll give you kind of like a breakdown of how I did it. When I started, I didn't waste time with one car here, one car there. I knew I wanted a fleet. So I prepped my credit, worked with dealerships, and used that 15-day window to stack approvals. I walked away with 6 cars almost instantly. I ran those cars, proved the model, and after optimizing my credit again, I repeated the process. That's how I went from 6 cars to over 40, not by wasting years, but by leveraging the system strategically. So let me ask you, are you gonna keep dragging your feet, buying one car at a time and wondering why you're not scaling? Or are you actually gonna take take control. Use the 15-day method and build your fleet instantly. Because here's the truth. You don't have a Turo problem. You don't have an income problem. You have a leverage problem. And this strategy can actually fix that. Stop thinking small. Stop waiting for someday. The system is built for people who understand it. And once you do, you can build the fleet you want faster than you ever thought was possible. We always want to play large. We never want to play small ball. So check this out. If you're ready to stop dabbling and start actually building a Turo fleet the right way with optimized credit, structured funding, and a 15-day multiple car method, you have to shoot me a text. What I want you to do is text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's going to come straight to my phone. Me or my team will answer your questions. We'll get your credit right, we'll get your approvals lined up, and your fleet built instantly so you can start cash flowing instead of playing the waiting game. Because freedom doesn't come from buying one car at a time. It comes from leverage, and this strategy is how you get it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.